Hi everyone. Hi. Now we are going to discuss about operation management. So in this module 1, we are going to see about the introduction and the functions within the business organization. Moreover, further videos, what are all the contents we are going to see, all the things I am going to explain here. So the contents in this module, there is introduction module. We are going to see about introduction, the functions within the business organization, the operation management roles, and classification of production system, the productivity and factors affecting productivity. Right. So now, what is operation management? So we are going to see before the operation management why it is needed and what the importance of this. No, let me discuss. Actually, in this is after industrial revolutions, everywhere they started production by using different technologies, and the mass production exists. So before that, manual production starts, and very less components per month or per period it will be produced. Later, it produces more components, rapid technologies nowadays, flexible manufacturing system, like all technological development comes. The thing is, in any industry, the main aim is to produce goods and services to the customers. Right. So production. What do you mean by a production? Normally, production we can say it's a conversion of raw material to finished product. Okay. In general, we can say production is a process which involve the activities. Okay. Which involve the activities which converts the raw materials or the resources materials to a finished products and services. Okay. So there are some activities which involved in the production process. Activities like purchasing. It starts from marketing, purchasing, and production, quality control, inspection, finally packaging. Like that it goes, and the delivery takes place to the customers. After delivering the product also, we have to keep a contact with the customer by marketing people or the maintenance service people. Okay, that the service location we have to keep near to the customer, and we are going to service if there is any problem with your products. Okay, so that production and service all to be managed properly. If we maintain that effectively, then we can give a good customer satisfaction. Okay, so it involves the responsibility of ensuring the business operations using little resources and effective in terms of meeting customer requirement. That's what the main aim of operation management. Right. So here the inputs, as I said, it is a conversion of raw materials to output. So inputs in the sense for in industry, the not only raw material, it needs labors, it needs customers. Okay, and there is the things which is resources which are needed for the conversion of one input to output. Okay, outputs are in the form of goods and services to the customers. Right. So here, very important thing is we have to maintain the quality of the product, and we have to give the services in time. Okay, when the demand is required, and the particular time we have to deliver. And not only in the industry, this is the process happening in so many service sectors like banking, hospitals, and other things, postal department, restaurants, everywhere. So servicing is needed everywhere, as well as the production is in the type of industry components, we can say. So here there are four main functions in any business organization that we will see here. The functions within business organization. There are accounts function, marketing, sales, human resource, and production. The five important functions here areas will help for entire business organization. A business organization is a one which gives product on services. Okay, so here any business organization, it follows these four main functions: production, operation, accounts and finance, marketing, that is including the sales, and human resource. Okay, so production or operation, as we said, it's a process of activities which involved in the conversion of resources to material. So it may be machining, it may be quality inspection. Before machining, before process, it needs purchasing and R&D, that is research and development of the product, quality control, and final packaging. All the things will be under the activities which is involved to convert the raw material into a finished product. Operations in banking services, like that is also we can call in hospital. If we say so many things are there in hospitals, we have to go for X-ray, okay, and the service related physiotherapy, right. So all these small operations also in service sectors will make the customer satisfied. So, and another one is account and finance. So this accounting and finance, in the sense, they are going to manage the financial flow of for an organization from the beginning, from the capital collection of investment for industry. Okay, if you want to purchase your land, and if you want to build an industry, and if you want to purchase some equipments, if you have to give salary to the employees, and payment of bills of electricity, powers, and water supplies, so all this need cash, that is the capital. So getting the capitals from different resources and allowing it in a proper way, this can be maintained with the accounting and financial department, right. So maintenance or management for accounting and finance is very, very important for entire organization to run smoothly. And the third one is marketing. Actually, this is very important role in any industries or business area. So the marketing will analyze the people psychology. Okay, what kind of requirement, what is needed in market, how many components it's needed, how long it is needed, when it is needed. All the things the marketing people will make a survey, and then the output they will give us a demand forecast to the company people. So the company people, by using this marketing survey, they will decide their production and they decide the scheduling. They will follow all the things in a proper manner. And the human resource management, so this human resource management is very important thing here in any organization. Selection of skilled laborers. So when they interview, first of all, the demand people from the marketing, we come to know what is the demand, and if the demand is more, then we will go for the decision making to get new employees for producing more component, like. Okay, so that time also, and for initial starting of our company, we need good skilled laborers. So for that, this human resource management will take care of by conducting interviews, selecting good skilled laborers for the purpose, for what function they are selecting the people, and then giving training to them. If they are not having training, they will give training to them, and they maintain the welfare of the employee. For each and every problem they have to rectify, salary, promotion, and all the things, all will take care by the human resource management. Then automatically this production process will go smoothly. So in any business organization, these are all the four important main functions that to be managed properly to give to get the operation to get success. Okay, that's what production or operation management system, accounts or finance system, marketing and selling, and human resource management. These are all the four important functions in any business organization, right.